a singer, but nonetheless, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a taste as to what it is that you guys will be learning today, as this is Honey by Maneskin. It has been this relatively new song, and I've been having so much freaking fun playing this that I would love to share with you as to how you could do so as well. So of course, this song we're going to be learning on an acoustic guitar, and it is on standard tuning. This right here is a little capo, and I do highly recommend this if you want to sound like their music videos or like their live performances, and this little gadget will go on the 3rd fret of your guitar. With that said, this song is only 4 chords, and they are relatively straightforward, and those 4 chords are E minor, D, A minor, and C major. So what you saw at the very beginning of this video is the intro to the song, where once again we have the lead singer and single strumming. So I'm going to give you an example as to how it kicks off and what it sounds like, in addition to a little bit of an example as to how it kind of goes into the verse, along with a little bit of palm muting. Mind you, palm muting is this, when you rest your palm on top of the strings, and I'm only explaining that because it gets kind of hard to explain in the middle of playing. So nonetheless, this is how it would sound like after the intro. Place downtown. So let's unpack a little bit of what we just witnessed. So after the intro, we're doing a bit of decent strumming. And after that, of course, going into the verse, I started doing the palm muting, which for the most part, I was just down strumming. Nonetheless, all you gotta do for that, just put your palm, you're gonna switch between the exact same chords that I gave you at the beginning. Once again, that was E minor, D, A minor, C major. And so all we're going through is and as they're progressing, I started letting loose a little bit. And then that is when the vocalist goes into his falsettos, where it's just like damn. He starts hitting a little bit of higher notes. He's still playing, and the band is still playing all the exact same notes in that exact same order, and the song consistently remains that way until towards like the ending, where you have a little bit of a bass line, which, quite truthfully, if you're playing guitar, I still recommend that you either follow along with the pattern just to kind of keep it in your mind, or even just do the single strumming pattern that you were doing at the intro. Because, you know, it also fills up the air. And nonetheless, if you're singing, it'd be kind of awkward if you're just like without anything in the background. And so yes, on the very last chorus, you'll find the lead singer continuing to sing. However, the guitar player is holding back on 2 notes, which is the E minor and the D. And he will kick back in when it comes to the A minor and C major. However, so you don't get lost, I would want you to kind of have your fingers in the position so you could kind of follow along with the song, and you will now know that you will have to kick in the moment that you hit the A minor and back to the C. So make sure to subscribe if you found this tutorial useful and easy, as I plan on releasing more videos just like this one. And you would make me very happy. Thank you guys very much for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next song.